According to recent statistics, there are over 50 million Americans trapped in the brutal cycle of drug and alcohol addiction. Research shows this chronic medical disease is treatable when its physical and psychological health risks are addressed. Many experts feel when implementing evidence-based programs and proven effective methods, a sustainable life of recovery can be achieved so people can regain their lives.
Addiction is very much a chronic disease of the brain. We know that because there's now neuroscientific evidence to suggest it. In fact, a person with a mental health disorder is twice as likely to develop a substance use disorder. During the pandemic, the people that were in recovery relapsed or returned to using, had a recurrence of use. And then there were a lot of people who started using a substance. So although it's common for people to believe that it's a moral failing, we know that an addicted brain is a chemically imbalanced brain. So people generally use substances by themselves, and the more they increase their usage of a substance, they tend to be afraid to seek treatment because they're afraid they're going to be mistreated, especially in the healthcare system. And it's probably one of the primary things that we as a nation need to work on. Over the last couple of decades, there has been a lot of research in the field of addiction, specifically the use of medications for opioid use disorder. There are 3 FDA-approved medications for opioid use disorder, which can be highly effective when used properly. Individualized treatment plans are really always the goal. We spend a lot of time and energy talking with our patients and using shared decision-making to come up with the best individualized treatment plan for them.
Founded in 1972, Gateway Rehab provides proven and personalized services to individuals struggling with addictive diseases in and around the Pittsburgh area. With rich experience in the evolution of addictive substances and evidence-based treatment methods, Gateway's programming delivers quality care and individualized treatment to help all affected by addictive diseases to be healthy in body, mind, and spirit.
Dr. Twersky was a rabbi who founded Gateway in 1972 in an attempt to help those folks recover. Since 1972, we've been treating folks, started here at our Aliquippa location in Pennsylvania, and now we have 24 locations. So it's been a pretty good journey, but at the same time, we've always just kept his vision, and the mission resembles him. And what he was trying to do is help people recover in mind, body, and spirit.
Gateway is a recognized leader in the treatment of addictive disorders, restoring the lives of thousands of people every year and renewing hope for their families and loved ones. Gateway's programs are designed to respond to the specific needs of each patient, trusted to help all those affected by addictive diseases to be healthy in body, mind, and spirit. Addiction is a treatable disease. Recovery is possible.
The care we provide here is highly individualized, knowing that addiction affects people in their body, mind, and spirit, and healing needs to take place on all of those levels. We also focus on improvement in self-image and the gradual acceptance and understanding that recovery is a lifelong process and demands ongoing commitment.
Gateway offers a full continuum of care that's non-hospital based. So on our flagship campus that's right here, we have detox, residential, outpatient, and transitional living. So results and success are really based on how you define those things. The best way to be successful is to be in treatment for over 90 days. And that can vary. It's not one specific way to do that, whether it's a combination of inpatient and outpatient. We really prefer to see people be in treatment for about a year. Success is really just about being that community member. You're not getting in trouble with the legal system and improving upon the areas that they were struggling with before they came in.
Recovery is a process of change, where people improve their wellness, learn to live self-directed lives, and strive to reach their full potential. And the longer you engage in treatment, therapy, and your new supportive community, the better your chances of sustainable recovery.
If there was a button in the corner and you pressed it and every problem in the world went away and you felt 100%, would you not go back and keep pressing that button? That's what addiction is like. So I was in and out of rehabs for about 3 years. When I was 39, they said they had one more thing they would try for me, and that was to come out here to Gateway. And it was only through the help of the staff here and people in the program that I made it. It was just amazing. I look back and it really seems impossible, but I did it, and I'm 23 years and I'm still here.
At Gateway, we really value people's lives. I mean, we believe that every life matters. People who suffer with substance use disorder, they just get used to being mistreated, and they don't feel like they deserve to be treated right. And we always treat people with respect and dignity here. We have so many people who've gone through this program and who are living wonderful lives. And there are so many people in recovery. You just don't know it. And I do wish that more people would come out and talk about their journeys, as I think it would help other people have more hope that recovery is possible, because it definitely is.
We're expanding our adolescent programming. We're going to open an inpatient unit, as well as expanding our telehealth services, because they may be in a rural area or a place that doesn't have a lot of treatment opportunities, and we're going to provide care for anybody that needs it.
Treatment works. Recovery is possible. Every person deserves to live a life of long-term wellness. Make your recovery a reality. Learn more today about Gateway Rehab and bring yourself to life. If you need help for yourself or a loved one, go to gatewayrehab.org or call 1-800-472-1177.